Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. We're kind of thinning out our herd a little bit here. And I've had this Omega for some time. I don't know exactly the size or the year. If you look at the motor, it's got like a double serial number, like a number stamped here, then a number stamped here, which is a little strange. And then got a number right here stamped on the frame. 118-01060.
036.
I'm sorry, 036.
036.
So I don't know.
What are these numbers?
This is
1471.
01471.
And then FE8S00395.
Okay, I don't know the number systems on Omega. The motor does say Kawasaki. I've had it for some time. It's something I always wanted to get to, but I never did. And motor's got really good compression. The mileage is 3,952 miles. The glass is gooned, but I'm sure it can be fixed. It's got the Kawasaki Heavy Industries flag in it. So I don't know much about these. Gas tank's kind of cruddy, can be cleaned up. The badges this badge is kind of warped a little bit. This one here is not too bad. I don't know these bikes that well. I'm missing the right side cover. It looks like it's got the wrong tail light lens, most likely. It looks like a trailer light or something. The sheet metal doesn't look too bad. The seat could use a recovering. This might be a nice everyday rider if you fix it up. I've had it for a real long time and I don't have a title for it, and I don't know if it'll run or not, but it has really good compression, and from our experience with motorcycles, if it has compression like that, we can usually make it run. So we're going to be offering this on eBay. It does have the key. The key does work. It moves. I don't know if the switch is any good, but it does move. Front fender looks pretty cool. This would make a really nice restoration project. This would make a nice, really cool everyday rider as it sits. So we're going to be offering this for sale on eBay, and I hope you like it. I have to sell it as is because I just don't know. If you have any questions, we're happy to answer them. This, I believe, is the choke cable. Looks like a lawnmower special lever, but it looks like the cable could be correct. But all in all, I think this would be a good thing. It's missing a front brake cable and stuff. There is a chance, if you're the lucky winner, or even if you're not, we may have a few parts for these laying around. It would be best if we had the numbers. This resembles a B8 Kawasaki, but I don't know for sure what the deal is. Okay, that's all I know, and thanks a lot. Good luck.
Auction?
This will be on an auction on eBay.